Hi, today I'm going to tell you a story of how I started riding motorcycles. It all started with a dream. My father loved music. He was obsessed with Billy Idol and couldn't stop dancing to rock music. At the time of his death, he left behind an army cap, a silver pelican pen, and these music cassettes. I never knew who my father really was, and I was too young to have any memory of these early photographs with him. There were many questions in my life that were waiting to be answered, and thus I began my quest to find them. I tried painting. One thing he really wanted to do, and she replied,
He wanted to see the world on a motorcycle.
"It saddens me to know how many of us are never able to live up to our passions. Just like my father, whose legacy is confined to these photographs and handwritten letters that he left behind. As humans, we all search for meanings in objects, places, and even humans. I believe my father gave me the gift to know who I was and what defined my soul. And so, I made the craziest decision of my life and bought a motorcycle. I rode across the Himalayas, the mighty Karakum range, but never in my wildest dreams did I ever imagine that I will be known as
Zenith, the motorcycle girl.
Motorcycle girl.
Motorcycle girl.
Motorcycle girl.
What was the reaction when people did realize that that person on the motorbike is actually a woman and a Pakistani woman?
When they see that it's a woman, they don't believe it's a Pakistani woman.
Not only that, I mean, you're not the first woman to drive a motorcycle in Pakistan, but I bet you're the highest profile woman on a motorcycle.
When you finished this trip, what was that like? Did you come back, sort of celebrate?
Every place I went was a celebration for me.